Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check linked accounts on Steam in just a few easy steps. Let's dive into it. So this one's going to be a bit tricky, but what you do is you go to help option, you open your Steam first and go to the help option, which is on top here, and Steam support. And then after that, scroll down to client, Steam client. Yes, Steam client. And then scroll down to offline mode. After this, scroll down to contact system support and then click here. The reason is to get that option where we can contact the system support, because on this one we might need to actually contact them so that they can actually let us know. So you just type in this good day, I require some information as to know which platform is my Steam account connected to. I'm trying to connect to my, let's say, Rockstar account, but it's saying it's already linked to another account. Any help is appreciated. And then you send. So basically this is to just contact them so that they'll just tell us which your account is linked in. Is it linked to the Rockstar games, or sometimes they tell us, sometimes they don't, but it's worth taking the chance. Sometimes they do tell you, so yes, depending on which support agent you get. So when you're done sending, just go to help, system support again, and scroll down. There's a new option that will pop up, view my Steam support help request. So you just click on that one, and that's where you just find your feedback and your Steam messages as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe,